What is up, guys? We're back with another video for the channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Today we're gonna be showing you guys a few tips and tricks for you guys to know about your 350Z. If you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So the first tip I want to show you guys is if you have the original alarm system from Nissan, you hold down the unlock button and the windows go down.
You want to see me do it again?
Your windows go down. If you don't want all that heat inside your car, this is a very useful tip. So let's get down to tip number 2. So tip number 2 is if you go to your driver's side handle, stick in the key, lock it, your windows will go completely up. Alright guys, tip number 3 has to do with your lights. So if you go inside, turn on your lights, the car makes a beeping noise. The car's letting you know that something is on. If you guys didn't know, Nissan made this switch, this turn off switch. After 5 minutes, the car's lights turn off by themselves. Alright guys, we're down to tip number 4. Tip number 4 has to do with your gas cap. Sometimes it gets stuck and it does not want to open, and we forcefully try to open it, but there's an easier way to open your gas cap in case it gets stuck. If you go into your trunk and you see that white lever, if you pull on that lever, automatically opens your gas cap. Alright guys, this leaves us with the very final tip. I call this a small trick that you could do with your alarm system. If you don't want to be hearing your car's horn, you can easily take it off. So how to do this? You gotta hold your unlock and lock button at the same time. If you don't want to keep hearing your horn, you just easily hold it down. No horn, it goes away. If you want it back on, hold it down again, and there is your horn back again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these tips. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe, help out the channel.